We are being encouraged, now more than ever, to activate our pineal gland and open our third eye chakra. This practice aims to help us experience a higher realm of love, peace, and light, supposedly leading to enlightenment and deeper understanding of ourselves, the meaning of life, and access to past lives and other knowledge, often referred to as downloads from this other realm. We are often told that this other realm, this heavenly realm, is our true home, where our souls originate and will eventually return, undergoing cycles of rebirth. Traditionally, we are advised to go into the light upon death to move on to heaven. Recently, however, there's a growing belief that we should avoid the light, labeling it a soul trap. This trap exploits our attachments to the earthly plane and our loved ones, compelling us to reincarnate and perpetuate the cycle of life and death. By rejecting the light, we supposedly attain the ultimate goal of returning home to a realm of love and peace. This belief system encourages meditation and focusing on vibrational energy to open our third eye. It's believed that when we vibrate at the correct frequency, we can access a higher realm of ultimate peace and love.